And that's okay. But communicate. There's that turbo kicking in. You have to communicate what's going on. Many of you think this is just a game. And by me showing you this real life driving, where I'm parked safely, where I'm giving you out of car view, in car view, you can see for yourself, oh, he's right. Oh, people don't stop at that sign. Oh, people don't use the blinker. And it's really a thinking process where your coach is going to be the number one to help you understand what's going on. And I'm your driving coach because I'm going to support you. I'm going to help you. I'm not only going to tell you what to do, I'm going to show you what to do. And I'm going to help you obtain your license because that is so important. You have to be able to obtain your license. Then you're going to want to get a job because you're going to have to keep gas in the car. You're going to have to get insurance. Your parents will gradually put responsibility on you. They're not just going to say, hey, you got to make a car payment. You got to make an insurance payment. You need tires for your car because they know you don't have a job yet. But if they see you with good grades, working hard, they're going to give you a timetable, right? But if you're just staying home, having a bunch of people over, doing random stuff, they're going to say, you know what? You need to get a job. Next summer, your dad and I want you out. You're like, oh, I got to get a job. Yes, you have to have a job because it takes money to drive. And a lot of you want to drive, but you're like, I don't have any money. My mom and dad, your mom and dad are tired of taking you everywhere. Your mom and dad are saying, man, when are they going to get a job? When are they going to move out? Man, they got their girlfriend over here. They got their boyfriend over here. They had a child and they're in the basement and we got to watch their child. And I don't want to do that because I'm on retirement. Your mom and dad do not want to do that. Why are you putting that unfair burden on them? Don't do that. What I need you to do is have a plan to get ready to get into your adulthood. Have a plan after you graduate. You should already have your license by the time you're 17 or 18, but I'm 24. Okay, you need to be looking at my content. You need to be listening to one of my seminars.